Hello and welcome to Aarsun Woods. This is Akshat Mittal and today we are talking about bar cabinet. Most of the furniture items in our homes are essentials just like bed, sofa, your dining table. But bar furniture is related to our lifestyle. Let's talk about the sizes first. This is 4 feet left to right, 27 inches front to back, and the height of this unit is 6 feet. Now let's see the inside view of the bar. First, we have a drawer on the top and let's see the inside view. First of all, that you are looking inside, everything is designed by the client himself. The client has provided a drawing on a paper and according to that, we have designed everything. Let's talk about the door first. Here, we have an area for small glasses and some area for bottles, and here on the top area for hanging glasses, and this area is for small glasses and some area for big glasses, and here we have two drawers, some open area and some area for bottles. Most of the bar cabinets are designed like this, but if you want some customization you can let us know and we'll make as per your requirement. As you know, Aarsun Woods make choice wala furniture and everything as per your size, color, design, and most importantly, choice. This unit is in walnut finish, teakwood, and this is going to USA. And we deliver globally in India and outside India, wherever you are. And the number is in front of you. Please contact us and we'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you.